We're told that if this garden plot contains 25 tomato plants, then the yield will be 10 tomatoes per plant. Now we're told that we're given these types of conditions, and you'll see with other word problems too. If the plot contains X additional plants, so say 25 plus X, the yield per plant will be reduced by X tomatoes. So the yield would be 10 minus X tomatoes per plant. We're told that last year the plot contained more than 25 plants, and you'll see the answer choices are all greater than 25. Total yield was 174 tomatoes, which will be the number of plants times the yield, which is the number of tomatoes that each plant produces. So really, this is our equation. And I knew this was going to be a quadratic, a lot of work, not only doing the algebraic manipulation. So in these types of questions, I know I'm going to just try to guess some numbers. Now, instead of plugging in the answer choices, I said, let me just factorize this. You'll see this adds up to 12. That means it's divisible by 3. 3 times 5 is 15, so 58, and then that's going to be 2 and 29. So I'm kind of guessing numbers because these are going to be all whole numbers. So 29 times 6. So I kind of see if x is 4, this is going to become 29, and then 10 minus 4 is indeed 6. So in this case, it turned out that just doing a trial and error was the easier way. X is 4, which means there were a total of 25 plus x, which is 29 plants. So the answer is A. Now, I don't know how much work it is with doing the quadratic, so let me do that. I didn't do that in the exam conditions. Because if this became too much work, I would have taken that route, plus 10x minus x squared, 174. And then this becomes minus 15x minus x squared. And then this is going to be 26 and 76. So if I remove plus 15x, I multiply it by minus. So 15 times, no, sorry. This is going to be 38 times 2, 19 times 4, yeah. 19x minus 4x. Yeah, some students can do this directly. I generally do it this way, but yeah. So we see that, okay, well, it wasn't too bad. I don't know why I was originally thinking, this just seemed like too much work. But yeah, we will eventually get 4 as well. So not too bad, but still, I think it was more work. So be prepared to kind of, plug in certain values or use the answer choices to kind of help you cut down on time on these questions. So to summarize, the answer is A.